Rainy season. Introduction of the rainy season. We see puddles everywhere. We use raincoat, umbrella, and gusboots. We use raincoat, umbrella, and gumboots. Alphabet X. Xylophone. Box. Xmas tree. Seven. Introduction of number 7. I went to a farm one day. I heard 7 sheep say, "Ba ba." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon. Say 7 aloud. Summer season. Introduction of summer season. It is very hot and sunny. We must wear loose cotton clothes, drink lots of water and fresh juices. Dresses we wear in summer season. Shorts. Cap. Skirt. Shirt. Always wear loose cotton clothes in summer. While in outdoors, wear a cap to protect yourself from the heat.
How old are you?
I am 3 years old. Take dry leaves and stick them according to the shape of tree to form the complete tree. Winter season. It is very cold in the winter season. People wear sweaters, hand gloves, woolen caps, and scarves to protect themselves from cold. Dresses we wear in winter season. Muffler. Hand gloves. Jacket. Hat. Bits of paper.
Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes a place untidy, pick them up.
Look and understand. Dance. Eat. Sleep. Hop. Read. Sing. Swim. Write. Sit.